Hello, this is Simon and I want to show you today how easy it is to upgrade an original PPal 500 low head turbine to our new turbine housing with adjustable vanes. Just a few steps. The first step is to open this bridge, this adjustment bridge, by losing 2 screws. Remove the one screw here, loosen the other screw and scroll this bridge out to this position. The second step is to remove the 3 screws that holds the turbine in the fixed vane housing. Now we can lift out the turbine and stick it here into the new housing. So, next step is to screw in these 3 screws into the new housing. So the main work is done. We have the new turbine, the old turbine in the new housing. So we place back here this bridge that holds the lever and mount this with this nut. Then we have to tighten this nut. So, the next step is to position the lever arm to the right position. It should be, this hard arm should be stand quite vertically, like this here. The position here of this adjustment mechanism is now right. The position of this arm is quite vertically, and the next step is to open this part here. Set it up on the right position here. Stick it through the 2 holes and tighten the nuts on this bolt. The last thing is what we have to do is to connect this bolt here to in its right position. So we have to screw in this bolt. So the last step is to look if all the screws are tightened enough. And now the turbine is ready for use. Now the turbine has two main parts. The one main part is here, the lever mechanism, where you can adjust the open and close position of the guide vanes. It's quite easy to do. You can open here this screw, and when you have opened the screw you can adjust the position on the guide vanes on the lower side. Fully stepless, very easy. If you have found a new position, like it's fully closed or fully open or any position between, you have to tighten here this nut and then it's fixed. The second main component is here the adjustable vane housing, turbine housing, where you can see on light blue and red all the components of the new turbine housing, and in darker blue the existing old turbine. So if you open the lever arm you can quite easily see how the system works here. You can fully open, from fully open to fully close. You can choose every position. Yeah, in principle is this all you need. For further usement is to just replace the turbine completely with the turbine housing in the old position and it can run. As you have seen on this small video, is that to upgrade an original 500 low head power pole with our new adjustable vanes design is quite easily. Many thanks for listening and for looking this video, and I hope we can get some very interesting project with this new design. Thank you.